Welcome back. You're with us here on Opening Fire. DB Corp reported numbers for the third quarter. Strong set of numbers, quite predictable. PAT came in at 71 crores compared to 55.5 crores same quarter last year. Sales came in at 439 crores compared to 396 crores same quarter last year. We have we have the management joining in. Girish Agarwal is with us. Apologies for that. Girish, good morning. Great to have you back on the show. Thanks very much. Could you run us through the basic highlights? Numbers are obviously good. Margins have come up quite strongly as well.
See, what the organization feels that last 3 quarters were depressed because most of the marketers were waiting for the market to improve and then to advertise. Now they all realize that they just can't keep waiting for the markets to improve and advertise. The logical solution is that they need to advertise, tempt the consumer, and then expect the sales. So that's what is happening, and we can clearly see in this quarter my advertising revenue is up by 12%. And also what we are seeing in the January month so far in the last 15 days, the numbers are pretty strong in the double digit also. So, and also another important aspect of my PAT margin growing by almost 28% is that my mature emerging editions of Maharashtra and Jharkhand, which were asking for some more investment, have now kind of matured themselves in terms of standing on the ground, and my investment cost in those markets has come down. So all that is adding on to my EBITDA number and obviously to the PAT number also. Another area which helps us is the newsprint prices. If you look at the quarter on quarter, there's been only 1% growth on the newsprint price. So that also is a big way because almost 48% of my total cost is newsprint.
Right. No, so just run us through for the 9-month period, what has been the advertising growth now? And
overall, if I see a 9-month average, we are at 5%.
5% advertising growth compared to the last year.
Yes, 9 months.
And this 12% for the third quarter, you'd stay double digit through through 2013. It looks that way.
Looks like.
Right. And on cost inflation isn't expected to be a big concern, or are you seeing any trends there as well, newsprint, etc.?
No, newsprint has, as I told you, there's been hardly a 1% growth in the Q on Q. So that looks like that kind of a newsprint has been flattened out. Yeah. And also other costs of mine as an organization has been quite under control. So that way I don't see any major concern on the cost side at all.
Is there, strong advertising growth of 12% in the third quarter? How much of it is seasonality? And can you extrapolate those numbers, Girish?
See, quarter 3 as a newspaper business is a Diwali festival impact. But you have to understand the same thing was there last year also. So on the last year Diwali and this year Diwali or the festival time, there's been a 12% growth. So that indicates there's been a decent growth coming in back.
Okay. Anything else in the fourth quarter we should be watching out for? Any milestones you want to talk about?
I think what we are now focusing on, especially in the few markets to gain or wherever we are in dominant position leadership, we are further strengthening that. For example, Indore, where we are a large dominant player, we have further decided to enhance the production capability over there and the quality. We just installed a German printing machine in Indore, which will help us to further enhance our product quality for the readers. Similarly, we are doing the same in Jaipur, Ahmedabad and Chandigarh. So in most of the market, the idea is that in next 12 months time, we should be able to revisit the market in terms of attracting our readers and providing them a much enhanced quality publication newspaper.
All right. Girish, thanks very much for those details. Great to have that perspective. Appreciate it as always. Good luck. The DB Corp numbers are strong and outlook remains pretty strong as well. Ad growth of 12% is quite remarkable. And he said, it's not just all seasonality. Things are looking up. For the 9-month period, ad revenue growth is about 5% or so.